students, today we are going to start a new topic, partial differential equation. So before we start this topic and its introduction and its examples, firstly main question is what is a differential equation, what is ODE and PD, what are its types and so on. Actually we all are familiar with these names, but still question remains that what is its definition. So don't worry, your answer is this chart. That is here we can see differential equation, ODE, PD, simple ODE, system of ODE, simple PD and system of PD. Then what is this? So let us start from the first definition, that is differential equation. That means a relation between dependent variable and derivative of dependent variable with respect to this independent variable. Then we can say this equation as a differential equation. Further, this differential equation can be divided into two parts. First part is ODE and second part is PD. In this part, we have independent variable equal to 1, dependent variable equal to 1 and dependent variable is greater than 1. So what is the definition of ODE? That means an equation which involves one or more dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable, then we can say this equation as an ordinary differential equation. Further, this ODE can be divided into two parts. First part is a simple ODE and second part is the system of ODE. Then what is a simple ODE? Simple ODE, that means an equation which involves only one dependent variable and only one independent variable, then we can say this is a simple ODE. Then what is the system of ODE? That is an equation which involves more than one dependent variable and only one independent variable. So this equation is called as a system of ODE. So this part is our ODE and we have completed this part. Now second part is a partial differential equation. As we can see here, independent variable is greater than 1, that is more than 1, and dependent variable equal to 1 and dependent variable is greater than 1. Then what is the definition of PD? That means an equation which involves one or more dependent variable with respect to more than one independent variable, then we can say this is a partial differential equation. Further, partial differential equation can be divided into two parts. First part is a simple ODE and second part is a system of PD, similar as ODE. In this part, what is a simple PD? So simple PD is an equation which involves only one dependent variable and more than one independent variable, then we can say this is a simple PD. Now next part is a system of PD, that means an equation which involves more than one dependent variable and more than one independent variable, then we can say this as a system of partial differential equation. So this is our chart. This is very easy trick to remember all these definitions. So let us move to the main topic, that is partial differential equation. In this topic we are going to study simple PD, that is simple partial differential equation. From chart we have already its a definition. That definition is an equation which involves one dependent variable with respect to two or more independent variable with partial differential coefficient is called as a simple PD. So this is a definition of simple PD. In partial differential equation part, we always use three variables, that is x, y and z. Here z represent dependent variable which depends on x and y, and independent variables are x and y. To solve this partial differential equation, we always use some notations, that is standard notation, that is dou z upon dou x can be written as a small p, dou z upon dou y is equal to small q, and dou 2z upon dou x square equal to r, dou 2z upon dou x into dou y is equal to s, and dou 2z upon dou y square is equal to t.
Now next point is order and degree of partial differential equations. So firstly we can see it's a definition. So first definition is order of the partial differential equation is the order of highest order partial derivatives of dependent variable present in partial differential equation. So this definition is of order of partial differential equation. Next definition is degree of partial differential equation. That implies degree of partial differential equation is a power of a degree of highest order derivative present in partial differential equation when every order derivatives are free from fraction or radicals. Now let us understand these definitions, that is order and degree of partial differential equations, namely by few examples. so that you will be able to understand the concept of order and degree of partial differential equation.
So consider first example. Here dou z by dou y minus 7 times of dou z by dou x is equal to 0. As we can see, highest order derivative in both the cases is 1. So order of this partial differential equation is 1 and its power is equal to how much? 1. So its degree is equal to 1. Now consider second example, that is dou 2z divided by dou x into dou y minus 5 times of dou z by dou y plus 4 times of dou z by dou x plus 10 is equal to 0. As we can see, highest order partial derivative contains 2. So order of this partial differential equation is 2 and it has a power that is 1. So degree of this partial differential equation is 1. Now consider third example, that is dou 2z divided by dou y square raised to 3 plus dou z by dou y raised to 5 is equal to 0. As we can see, highest order partial derivative contains order 2. So its order is 2 and it has a power how much? 3. Then degree of this partial differential equation is 3. Consider last example, that is dou raised to 5z divided by dou x raised to 5 plus dou z by dou y raised to 5 plus 5 times of dou 2z divided by dou y square raised to 2 is equal to 0. Highest order partial derivative contains 5. Then order of this partial derivative is 5 and it has a power how much? 1. So degree of this partial differential equation is 1.
Thank you. Please like, subscribe and